Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make someone to join a WhatsApp group chat using an invite link. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make someone to join a WhatsApp group chat using a link. So you're going to be learning how to invite someone to a WhatsApp group just by sending the person an invite link. So guys, it's very easy to do. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow this channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to tap on your WhatsApp to open it. So let me tap on my WhatsApp to launch it. So guys, once your WhatsApp opens up, the next step you have to take now is to look for the WhatsApp group that you want people to join using the invite link. So guys, let me look for it. Once you find it, then you tap on it. So guys, let me look for the WhatsApp group right away. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see I'm in a WhatsApp group chat. So the next step I have to take now is to tap on the three vertical dots at the top right corner. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where it is written group info. You can see that that's the first option, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see here's the profile page of this WhatsApp group chat. This is where you're going to find all the information about this WhatsApp group. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to scroll downward. So let me scroll downward. So guys, now for me to be able to invite people to join this WhatsApp group using the invite link, what I have to do now is to tap on where it is written invite via link. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. You have to tap on it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, this is where you're going to be able to do the magic. This is where you can actually make people to join a WhatsApp group using your invite link. So guys, you can see here we have 5 options that you can actually use to invite people using the link. You can see the first option there, the arrow is pointing at it. It is written send link via WhatsApp. The second option, you can see there the arrow is pointing at it, is written copy link. So if you want to copy this link now, what you have to do now is to tap on it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see down there link copied. So guys, now I've been able now to copy this link. So if I share this link now to anyone and the person taps on the link, the person will be able to join this WhatsApp group. So guys, now you can see the third option there where it is written share link. So you can actually share this link on various social media platforms. Let me tap on it so you see it. So guys, now you can see these are the options that we have. You can actually send it on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Instagram and the rest of them. So guys, let me cancel out now. So guys, now let's go over to the next option, which is QR code. So guys, let me tap on this right away. So guys, this is the WhatsApp group chat QR code for anyone who wants to join the WhatsApp group. So if you share this now, this QR code to anyone, they'll be able to scan it and then join the WhatsApp group. You can see what is written down there. Let me get to read it. This group QR code is private. If it is shared with someone, they can scan it with their WhatsApp camera to join this group. So guys, now you can see it. Let me go back now. So guys, now the option I'm going to be using is the first option, which is written send link via WhatsApp. The person I want to invite is on WhatsApp. So let me tap on this right away. So guys, now you can see it has taken me to where I can find all my WhatsApp contacts. So guys can see these are all the WhatsApp group I'm in. These are all the contacts that I have in my WhatsApp. So guys, what you have to do now is to select the person that you actually want to invite to join this WhatsApp group. So guys, now you can see these are all the contacts that I have. So let me select one person that I want to invite. Let me look for one person right away. So guys, now let me select this person right there. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. Let me tap on it. You can also select more than one contact in case you want to invite multiple persons. So guys, let me tap on this contact at the top. So guys, now you can see I've selected 2 persons, and also you can also select a group chat to send the invite link there. So guys, let me tap on the group chat right away. So guys, now you can see I've selected the group chat. So guys, now this is how it works. But guys, let me cancel out of all of this. I want to send it just to one person. This person right there, you can see where the arrow is pointing at. So guys, what I have to do now is to tap on this grid at the bottom. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see here's the WhatsApp group chat invite link. You can see what is written there. Follow this link to join my WhatsApp group. So guys, what I have to do now is to send it. So let me send it right away. So guys, now you can see here's the WhatsApp group chat invite link. So anyone who taps on this link will be able to join the WhatsApp group. So if this contact that I send this link now taps on this link, the person will be able to join the WhatsApp group right away. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can actually invite people to join a WhatsApp group using an invite link. So guys, now I've come to the end of this video, and I believe you got value from it. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video like this one, you're gonna get notified. See you on our next upload. Bye bye, peace.